Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today, and if it is your first time with us, please ensure to check our introductory video with the link given below. Today we would be doing unboxing of our training bioBox, which is TbB001 Pipetting Efficiency Training Biobox. This biobox is designed to improve the pipetting efficiency skill of a student, which is required for any biological skill. I'll just begin with unboxing it. There's a QR code that is mentioned on the biobox. If you scan this QR code, this will lead you to our online e-learning platform where you can get more instructions about our kit. Before we begin with unboxing this biobox, I would like to say each biobox is for 10 students only. As you open it, the first thing I can see is the product manual. I think, yeah, this has aim, objective, introduction, what are you going to do with the biobox, and the interpretation, everything in it. So second one is the illustration. As you can see, it's a very elaborate illustration. It has exactly what you have to do. So this biobox has two modules in it, module 1, module 2, and everything we need to do for each module is mentioned in the illustration. There are a couple of activity cards here. Let's see what's inside them. The first one is an activity card with a bunch of questions in it. The second one is an activity card with the answers to the questions in the previous card. There are two modules. There are activity cards for each module. This instruction card is for module 1. Module 2 has two instruction cards by itself, one for fixed volume pipette and one for variable volume pipette. There are a bunch of pipette cards which will help you perform the experiment. And that's about the instructions for doing the experiment. Now, what are the consumables and materials required for it? They've actually given micro pipettes with the kit. As you can see, it's a micro pipette. It's a fixed volume micro pipette, and it's a 100 microliter one. It has the first plunge and the second plunge, just like how the laboratory pipettes do. There are two of them given here, one for 100 microliter and one for 10 microliter. So even people without access to variable volume pipette from a laboratory can perform the experiment. There is a leaflet here. If I pull it out, it's filled with a bunch of consumables required to perform the experiment. The first one here is desiccated bromothymol blue tubes, which are required for module 1 activity. Then there are a couple of 2 to 200 microliter tips. There are 250 number of 200 microliter tips. They're packed individually for different modules. And there are 296 well plates to perform module 2 activity. That's about the consumables required to do the experiment. Now let's look at the reagents and other chemicals which we need. As you can see, it's arranged in a way as to which is needed for what module. These are required for first module and these are required for the second one. So for the first module, we have water buffer pH 4, 2 ml of it, water buffer pH 6, 2 ml of it again, and water buffer pH 9, 2 ml again, and water buffer pH 10, 2 ml again. These are required for the module 1. Now what is required for module 2? There is a big tube which is a buffer solution, 7 ml of it is given, and then there is glycerol, 1.8 ml is given. There is also alcohol which has 1.5 ml given in it, and there are color tubes here, 3 different colors. There is red color 2 ml, and then there is yellow color 2 ml, and there is blue color 2 ml. Please do try the biobox today itself, and do visit our website to know more about our other products. And thank you for watching. Hope to see you guys soon in another video.